Greetings, dear friends, and welcome once more to my channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the data types and the printf function in the C language. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So, we are going to start with the types of data type in C. In the C programming language, we have three main types of data type. We have primitive data types, we have user defined data type, and we have derived data types. So, what's a primitive data type in the C programming language? Primitive data types are the most basic data type that are used for representing simple values such as integer, float, doubles, etc. User defined data types are defined by the user themselves. And the derived data types are data types that are derived from the primitive data types, that is integer, float, character, etc. So some examples of the most common primitive data types are the character data type, the integer data type, the double, the float, and the long float. And there are many other that you can check. You can check by googling. So, what's the printf function in C? The printf function is used to write the output of a program in C. It's important to note that this function is part of the C standard library, that is the stdio.h library. So, let's suppose we want to write a program to print the statement, I am Ken Jerry and I am a software developer. So, I will start with the basic structure of a C program. I will now use the printf function to write the output of the program. You realize that if I build and run the program, the two sentences will be joined together. Let's try. So you can see that I am Ken Jerry, I am a software developer, but the two sentences are on the same line. Let's separate so that it should look like what we want. So you can see now we have the sentence structure the way we want. I am Ken Jerry, and in the next line, I am a software developer. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to this channel. We meet in the next video. Thanks.